Hi my dear students, in our last class we see about the comparisons. Long short, thick thin, tall short, heavy light, more less, and we see the ordering of the objects. Okay, then today we are going to see about the 4.2 measures. Okay, they are giving keywords: handspan, cubit, foot span, pace, length. Okay, now we detailedly see about this measurements. Now first look at this picture, ma. In this picture, the boys and girls are playing the several type of games, isn't it now? And also here giving the flower shop. Here the shopkeeper measures the flower, isn't it now? Yes. Now learn. Now we are seeing the first type of measurement, that is handspan. Okay, the handspan is also known as, that is the another name of handspan is san. Okay va? Now what is mean by handspan, ma? Handspan means nothing, ma. The maximum distance between your thumb to your little finger. Okay va? The distance between the thumb to your little finger is known as handspan. Okay va? That is, between this distance is called the handspan measurements. Okay va? Okay, now we are going to measure this length of this table by using the handspan. Handspan means what? I already say, no? The distance between your thumb to your distance between the thumb to the little finger, between the thumb and little finger, in between this distance is called the handspan. Now let's start measuring this table, ma. To measure the table with your handspan, we have to keep your thumb at one end of the table and stretch your little finger as much as you can. Okay, like this. Okay, then again bring your thumb to close to the little finger. Then again stretch your little finger again. Continue this process until you can reach the end of the table. Understood, amma? This is the type of measuring the table by using handspan. Now let's start measuring, ma. 1 handspan, 2 handspan, 3 handspan, 4 handspan, 5 handspan, and 6 handspan. Now we can see that the length of the table is 6 handspan. Okay, now you understood how to measure the table by using handspan, ma? Okay, that is san. Okay va? Now the second type is cubit. That is, the cubit is also known as mulam. Okay, you already very well know, ma. In a flower shop, the shopkeeper measure the flower by using this cubit method. You know, no? That is mulam. That is one mulam, 2 mulam, 3 mulam, like this. Okay va? The mulam is also known as what? The another name is what? Cubit. Okay va, ma? Now we measure the handspan? No. Like the same way, we measure this table by using the cubit. Which like ma? First keep your elbow at the one end of the table. Then keep your hand in the table and mark here 1. Okay va? Then again keep your elbow here and keep your hands in the table and mark as 2. Continue this process. We reach the end of the table. Okay va? This is the way to measure the table by using cubit. Okay va ma? Now the third one is foot span. That is kaladi. Okay. Now what is mean by foot span ma? The foot span means the distance between the thumb to the heel. Okay ma? This distance is called the foot span. Now let us measure the distance between the two walls of the room from one edge to the another edge of the room by using foot span. To measure with your foot span, you have to make sure that your heel should touch the wall. Okay, Vama? Keep your heel, it should be must touch the wall. And when you taking the next step, the heel of the next feet should touch your toe. Okay, like this. And continue the process until you reach the another edge of the wall. Okay, Vama? You must continue the same process until you reach the another end of the wall like this. Okay, Va? Now we start measure this room of the from one edge to the another edge. Okay, Va? Now we start ma. First keep your heel that should be touch the wall, and that is 1 foot span. Okay, 2 foot span, 3 foot span, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, 11. So we can see that the distance between the edges of the two walls is 11 foot span. Okay, va? This is the way to measure the foot span, that is kaladi. Okay, va? Now the last one is face. Okay, that the face is also known as tappadi. Okay, va? Now what is mean by face? Face means nothing ma. The distance between your two legs. Okay, va? The distance between your two legs. This is called what? Face. Okay, va? Now we are going to measure the width of the two walls of this room from one edge to the another edges by using our face. So to measure with face, you have to make sure that your heel, okay, that your heel should touch the wall, touch the one edge of the room. Okay, va? So now we start measuring. Okay va? That is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay va? So we can see that the width of the room from one edge to another edge is 8 face. Okay. This is the way to measure the room by using face. This is nothing ma, just we have to make that counting of the steps. That's all. This is called face. Okay va? Fill activity, fill the table and compare. Objects: window, table, mat, classroom. Okay va? This is under your objects. Units of measures. We want to measure the objects by using handspan. For window, we measure the window by using handspan. Next, we want to measure the table by using cubit. Okay. We want to measure the mat by using foot span. Then we want to measure the room. Choose your any room, okay, whatever it is, by using the face. Okay va? First, next is number of units in measure the length by teacher, me, my friend. Me means this is your measurements. Okay, your measurement. Teacher, for example, you taking the parents, your parents measurements here. Friend means brother, sister. Okay, the your friends measurements here. Okay, first, then one important point ma, you want to choose the same window for the 3 members. Okay, don't measure the different types of window for your measurements. Okay, you want to measure the same window only. Okay, first you go nearby window. Okay, handspan. Handspan means what? We want to measure the window by using handspan. No. Now what is mean by handspan? Yes, this like we want to measure your window. First, you want to keep your thumb at the one edge of the window and reach your little finger as much as you can. I already thought you know like that. 1 2. Likewise. Okay, then how many counting come? For example, 2 means you put 2 here. This is your measurement. Okay va? First you take your measurement, then after go near by the table. Choose any table ma. You want to measure the length of the table by using cubit method. Cubit method means like guys. Okay va? 1. Then you want to keep the elbow here. Then keep the hand at the table, then mark as 2. Continue the process. Okay, this like. So count the measurements ma. Suppose 6 means you put here 6. Okay va? Then mat. We want to measure the length of the mat by using foot span. Foot span means what? Kaladi. Okay. Count the steps. How many steps coming? For example, 15 means you put, mat. For example, 4 means you put 4 here. Okay, then you want to measure their room by using face. Face means what? Yes, distance between your 2 legs. Okay. Count the steps, how many steps coming, and put your measurement. For example, 14 means put 14 here. Okay va? This is your measurement. Next, your parents should be take the measurements. Okay va? Window means window, table, mat, classroom, and write their measurement here. Then after brother, sister, your friend, anyone, their measurements here. Okay va? This is your homework ma. Okay, understood? Then think like a mathematician. Why do the length measure different from one another? For example, you complete this table. Okay va? Suppose here see ma, window. You measure the window by using handspan and your measurement is 2. What is your parents' measurements? Yes, this is different. No, this is also 2. Nothing. Sorry. Impossible because yes, you two have the different size of hands and legs. Okay va? Why do the length measure different from one another? Because we have different size of hands and leg. That is your answer. Right here. Okay va? Write your answer here ma. We have different size of hands and legs. Okay va? That's all. Up to this we completed our second term. Okay va? Thank you.